Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix call field issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1. Connected with the strong cellular data. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on mobile data service. Mobile data service toggle on and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn off airplane mode. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Airplane mode toggle on and 10-20 seconds back toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for iOS update. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset network settings. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset setting. Tap on reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, turning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is remove and insert SIM card. Eject the SIM card from your iPhone. Wait for few seconds and reinsert it. Once you done, if you receive text messages or not and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reboot your iPhone. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on shutdown. Drag the slide to power off. Slider to turn off your device, then wait for few seconds and turning back on and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix call field issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.